Alright guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, so I have a 3S battery 12 volts. So we're going to put the BMS. So I teach you how to put the BMS for the battery. So this BMS is for 12 volts battery. So this is the design of my battery. So first is the negative, and then positive and negative, positive and negative, and then the last one is the positive. So this is the design of the battery. So I'm going to teach you how to put the BMS. So from this BMS, there have a four sides. This negative B1 is we will going to connect to the negative, and then the B1 is we're going to connect to the positive and negative, and then the B2 is we're going to connect to the another side of positive and negative, and then the last one is the B3 is we're going to connect to the output of the battery, positive. So this side is the output or the negative output, and then the positive output of the wire. So this is the perfect design. So I have right here. So this is the design of my battery. First is negative, and then positive negative, positive negative, and then positive. So this is the BMS. B1 is here, Bu negative is here, B1, B2, and then the last one is B3 is for the positive. And then this one is charging port. So positive and negative. So let's go and let's put it now to the battery, the BMS. Alright, first we're going to put the BMS to the battery. So B1, we're going to connect to the negative. So this is the pattern of the BMS, the battery, and then the BMS. B1 is for the negative. B negative is from the negative of the battery. So let's connect. Negative here. The negative. So let's connect. So we're going to connect the negative. Alright, so we are already connected now the negative of the BMS. And next is the B1. We're going to connect to the B1. And then the next one is the B2. We're going to connect here. And then the B3 is going to connect to the positive. So this one is we're going to connect to the B2. Last one is we're going to connect to the positive. So from here or here. Alright, so we are already connected now, as you can see. So now we're going to try the tester if the output is the positive and then the negative. Is it correct or no? So I'm going to put the tester. So now this is the output of the negative. This is the output of the negative and this is the output of the positive. So let's try. It's good or no? So negative and then positive. So it's okay now. So this is the 10.2. So low bat siya kaya 10. So that is low bat. So that's why 10.2. So 10.2. That is correct already. 10.2. That is 12 volts, but that is low bat. So that's why 10.2. So this is okay because after we're going to change the charge. Alright guys, so the last part is we're going to put the extension here or the output, the positive and then the negative. So this is the extension wire or the output of negative and positive. So we're going to put the negative.